Welcome to the Delta Math Solution tutorial. Here we're covering triangle side splitter theorem level 1. You're going to use the side splitter theorem to solve for x in the triangle below. Our approach is the same. We have to set this up with a proportion to solve for x. So a proportion, you need a left ratio and a right ratio. So notice the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to have this side right here, which is all in red. I'm going to make that my left ratio. Then I'm going to make what is blue here my right ratio. Okay, so now let's just set it up. So my left ratio, 11 divided by x. Okay, so this was the top part, and this is the bottom part. Okay, this is going to be equal to my right ratio, which is in blue, which is the top, which is 5. Divide that by the bottom, which is 10. Now we can cross multiply. 5 times x is equal to 11 times 10. 5 times x gets you 5x. 11 times 10 gets you 110. Divide by 5 to solve for x to both sides. You get x is equal to 110 divided by 5 gets you 22. So this number here is going to be 22. Let's check our work. So x is going to be equal to 22. There you go. Set up your proportion, solve by cross multiplying. Good job. Let's do another problem. The question is asking for the same thing. It's asking us to use the side splitter theorem to solve for x. We should set up the ratio. This is my left side, so I'm going to make this my left ratio. Then I'm going to have my right hand side here. I'm going to call this my right ratio. Okay, let's set up the ratio. So this is the top of the left one, so that's equal to x. Divide this by the bottom of the left ratio, which is 36. That's going to be equal to 10, which is on the right, on the top. You see how I'm matching top to top? And divided by the bottom, which is 40. Okay, because it's bottom side, 40. Good, we have our proportion. Now we can solve by cross multiplying. So x times 40 is equal to 10 times 36. So 40 times x gets you 40x. 10 times 36 is 360. Divide by 40 to both sides. You get x is equal to 360 divided by 40. Gets you x is equal to 9. So this here should be a 9. All right. So x here is going to be equal to 9. Submit your answer. There you go. We were correct. We set up the proportion, cross multiply, then solve. All right. So there you go. That is how you do the triangle side splitter theorem for level 1. It's equivalent to just setting up the proportion and solving for x.